A UAE firm publishes a website, LinkedIn posts, a white paper. But a stack of assets is not a plan. Here is what content marketing means for UAE B2B and why consistency beats volume. It is a strategic approach to useful content. You help buyers solve a problem before you pitch. Random posting is just content production. Marketing ties it to an audience and outcome. It pays off under 3 conditions: a long sales cycle, a committee that researches alone, and a category where education sells. Common across Dubai and Abu Dhabi B2B firms. Content is owned. Advertising is rented. Ads stop the moment the budget stops. Content lives on your domain, meeting active researchers. It compounds over time, as ads never do. 6 formats do 6 jobs: articles, white papers, case studies, infographics, video, and email across the buyer journey. In 2025, 92% used short articles, 76% used video, 75% used case studies. UAE internet penetration hits 99%. LinkedIn's ad audience is near 10 million, roughly 88.5%, the dominant B2B channel. On WhatsApp, a clean PDF gets forwarded internally. One rule keeps a lean team sustainable. Take one strong white paper or long article, spin out a carousel, a subject line, a send along. One piece, 4 touches, one team. It builds awareness, authority, visibility, and sales enablement. 87% say it lifted brand awareness. Top performers credit knowing their audience, 82%, and a documented strategy, 47%. Many UAE audiences are mixed Arabic and English. Plan both from the brief, not afterward. Arabic runs longer and reads right to left. Arabic content reaches queries English cannot. Effective content is built for people, not rankings. It answers a real question and shows first-hand experience. Trust is the core of EAT. Consistency, held for 12 months, compounds more than volume. Plan for a slow start. First rankings often appear around month 3. Crowded Dubai segments, like real estate, take longer. We run a 6-month minimum, not a guarantee. So it is publishing tied to an outcome. One team plans, writes, designs, and publishes it. Consistency beats volume in whichever language your buyers read. Plan yours with Walk Production.